Ladies and gentlemen, this is with 3Bro again. All right, so today I have a very solid update for y'all. Yeah, it's been a while for a while now. But I was just observing to see how this platform works before I can introduce it to my audience. Okay, because I don't want to bring anything that you will lose money at the end of the day. So this is called XMev.ai, or you can call it Smart Money Bot, okay, or XMev Bot. What this platform does is that it presents a bot for you to invest your money and it trades for you. Okay, so the daily ROI of this platform is not static or statutory. It is flexible in the sense that you can earn 1% today, you can earn 1.5% tomorrow, you can earn 0.5% the next day. It's flexible because it's actually trading the real market. Okay. Just as you have candlesticks go up and down in the market space, you have the highs, the lows, you have the uptrend, the downtrend. Okay. That is exactly what you have here because the market will not always be the same. So that's, by the way, like I said before, it's with 3Bro. If you are new on this channel, we'll discuss about how to make money online. That's it. Okay, so consider subscribing, like, share, comment, turn the notification bell, and you're welcome. So let's get straight to the point. Let me first of all show you my withdrawal. If I click on total assets, okay, total asset, and then I go down to where you see all. As you can see, this is the extraction I earned today. This is $0.8. That's 0.8% is the profit that has been extracted from the market today so far. Okay, and then it's in my wallet at the moment. And then this is the withdrawal I made yesterday, which is this is 20th of April 2026, as you can see. So if I click on the details, you will see the withdrawal successful. This is not just the first withdrawal I made. I made another one. Another one. Yeah, this is it. This one, I made this withdrawal on the 31st of March 2026. I actually joined last month, and for the past month plus now, I've done 2 withdrawals. Okay, so you're asking me, it looks kind of dull. This is 0.4, 0.5. Like I said before, the daily earnings, the daily ROI is not static. It's not 2% daily. It's not 1% daily. It's not fixed. It's the profit comes in as according to the market sentiment, okay? According to the market. That is why you're having this. So as you can see, this is 0.7, 0.5, 0.6, 0.5, 0.6, like that. We have 0.4. There are some days for this particular board I have 0.35. Yeah, it happens, right? To show you it's real. It's not um it's not a fixed ROI that other Ponzi platform brings. All right. So that is it. Now let's get straight to the bot. If you click on where you see MEV, you click on the sandwich bot. Okay. This is my yesterday's earning, 0.9% that was earned. And people that are using this particular bot, sandwich bot, is 248,448 participants. Okay. And then this is it. So this is the one I am actively on. For this one, this bot costs a one-time fee of $50 to activate the bot. All right. And then your capital can be from $20 up to any amount depending on the depending on the duration. Okay. So as you can see, this is my dashboard. This is $100. My total contract value is $100, and I've earned a total of $23.1 so far in the last 30 days. Okay, the last 30 days, as you can see. All right, so You also have the opportunity to redeem your capital if you want to. If you don't want to trade with the company again, you can do this and get your capital out. So this is 15 days average daily return. We have 0.62 here, 0.36 here, like I said before, 0.64, 0.4, 0.54, 0.81, 0.81, 0.79, 0.36, 0.95, 0.35, the same. It's happening every day like this. Okay, every day we are getting paid daily. So these are people that are coming in every minute, every second. People are coming in, as you can see. This one did 90 days, one did 180 days. So you can activate any contract deal that you want. Okay, this is a sandwich bot. All right, so let's go to another one. Another bot. This bot costs $50, and then the next bot is called Atomic Arbitrage Bot. This bot gives you between 0.6 to 5% daily, while the sandwich bot gives you 0.3 to 2% daily. Okay, so that is these are the gaps in between, all right? So this one will cost you $99.9, approximately $100 for you to activate this bot once and for all. It has 25,934 participants in this bot. All right. So these two bots can run side by side. Okay. So you don't need to merge this one and the other one. They can run side by side. So you scroll the way down here. So this one, 1.1, that's the last 15 days. 1.1, 1.01, like that. The minimum it can go is 0.65, 0.72. All right. So it can go as high as 2%, 0.7, 0.7, 1.61. All right. So the reason you're not seeing anything here controversial is because I have not activated this bot yet, which I'm going to do that ending of this month. So now the next one is the prediction markets. Okay. This one, I have to do a new video for this because that was already gone. A new video for this. That's another way you can make money from a bot. All right. So how do you get started on this bot? Like I said before, this is my wallet. Just click on your wallet and click on deposit. When you click on the link in the description below and you get started, you will now register with your email. So I'm going to attach the video of registration in the description below, the video of how you can activate your package and how you can get started. Everything you need about the business is in the description. All right, so you just click on make a deposit. So this is the last deposit I made. I made this one. As you can see, I told you you will need this amount to activate the bot. We need this one also for the contract. All right, so let's go. And then you will use this one. Make a deposit here, and then you choose BEP20, and then you will now copy this address right here. Go to your exchange, send the money in. Remember, if you are going for the $100 package, and if you're going for $100 as capital, you're going to invest. If you're going for sandwich bot, you're going to invest $152. The $2 is slightly for fees. Okay, you wouldn't have to pay much, just $0.5 from there, you're good. If you're going for the atomic arbitrage bot, you're going to have to pay $202. Okay, because $100 is for the activation fee, and then $100 is for the trading fee. Okay, so let's leave here and go back to wallet asset wallet, and then from there you can now come over here to click on the bot activate. From there you can now click on where you see your money in, and then you can now choose a day or two. You can decide to choose 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, 100 days, and 180 days. So if you go for 7 days, and if you go for 1 day and 7 days, a minimum you can invest is $20 and above. If you go for 7 days, the profit profit split ratio is going to be 50-50 for those that are going for 1 day. If you're going for 7 days, the profit will be 55-45. If you're going for 30 days, the profit will be 65-35. That's 65 for you, 35 for the company. If you're going for 100 days, the profit will be 90 for you and 10 for them. If you're going for 180 days, the same thing. Okay. Then from 30 days, you can have auto renewal in contract, and you can also toggle automatically reinvest profit. If you want to invest for a long term, reinvest profit. If you don't want, you can toggle this off. Okay. And then you can choose any of these days, then enter the amount here. Remember, from 30 days up, the minimum investment amount is $100. Okay, please get that at your fingertips. From day 1 and 7 days, you can invest $100. From 30 days up, it's $100. So you need that amount to get started with 30 days, 100 days, and 180 days. Then you click on confirm, you get started. So that is it. That is it for the platform. It's not hard. If there's anything I've not said, you can ask in the comment section. I'm going to answer you. We'll get started together. All right. So the link will be in the description below, like I said before. Click on the link, register. Start with your register with your email, okay, your password, and get started, and you're good. All right. So that will be all for this video. Whatever update that comes up, I will let you know. So this is Web3 Bro. Once again, the link is shown below. Click, register, and get started, and keep investing your profit. You can start from $100. You can start with Sandwich Bot or Atomic Bot and increase your earning by the day. All right, so we will see in another video. Thanks for watching.